Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell. So today I'm filming this classic makeup look appropriate for every occasion, such as proms that are coming soon, weddings, or just classic everyday work look, whatever you like actually. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So I'll start with my face, and I'm priming it with this Crease Beautifying Primer. Next I'll do my foundation, and I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus. It's in the shade Golden Beige. Next I'll use my concealer, and first will be this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 10. Actually, I want to try this alone. It's a bit too orange, so I'll apply this Conceal and Define concealer from Makeup Revolution. It's in the shade C6.5. Okay, so now I wanna set it, and I'll use this Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Now I'll fill my brows a bit, and I'll leave a link on video how I do my brows, and I'll be right back. Now I want to use my highlighter, and I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. Now I'll use this bronzer from BH Cosmetics Bronze Paradise Palette. And now, since this is for a summertime look, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution bronzer. This is actually highlighter. It's called Baked Highlighter in the shade Gold Addict, but it's very bronzy, so I'll use it as a bronzer. Just a bit to go over this. And now for my blush, I wanna use this e.l.f. blush palette. It's in the shade Dark, and I want to use this peachy shade and this darkest shade, so I'll mix them together a bit. Okay, so that's it for my face. Now I want to go on my eyes, and I'm using this Huda Beauty Desrt Dusk palette, and first shade I'll use will be this Desert Sand. For my transition, I'll mix this shade Eden and this shade Musk. Next I'll use this shade Amber, and I'll mainly focus it in my crease and outer V. And I want to go a bit higher in my crease with this shade, because I'll do a cut crease, so I don't lost it when I apply that cut crease. And now I'll apply this shade Oud also in my crease and my outer V. Okay, so now I wanna cut my crease and I'll use this Revolution concealer. Now I'll use this shade Cashmere to cover this concealer. I did my cut crease and now I wanna go on my lower lash line, and I first use this shade Oud. Of course you don't have to do a lower lash line, but I really like lower lash line and I like it to be smudged a bit lower. So now I'm gonna blend it a bit with the mix of this shade Eden and this shade Mask. I'll put shade Nefertiti in my inner corner. It's a beautiful gold shade. It has a bit of pinky reflect, but it's not too intense. I use Total Temptation from Maybelline for my mascara. Rimmel Cappuccino lip liner to line my lips. And over it I'll use Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the sand. I wanna add a bit of drama to my eyes, but I want to my shadow still be seen, so I'll use this Azaredo lashes in the style Doll. So you see, I got a bit of drama with these lashes, but you can still see my eyeshadow coming through. So guys, this is my completed look, this classic cut crease with a bit of gold in it, with this nude lip. So I think this eye makeup would look really nice with bold lip also, like red for example. So I think this is very wearable, but it's still a bit of classy and a bit of glam, so you can wear it on some wedding, or you can wear it on your prom or for work, whatever you want. So I hope you liked it. I like how it turned out, and I think I'll do a bit of more, even more classic look with some kind of red lip or something like that. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share this video with friends, comment something if you want, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!